Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to back up a Cryptomator vault step by step. Creating regular backups of your encrypted vault helps protect your files against accidental deletion, hardware failure, or data loss while keeping everything securely encrypted. So let's get started. First, make sure your Cryptomator vault is locked before creating a backup. This ensures all files are fully encrypted and prevents any changes from being made while the backup is in progress. Next, locate your vault folder on your computer or in your cloud storage service. Remember that the vault is stored as a folder containing encrypted files and metadata. You don't need to decrypt anything before backing it up. Now copy the entire vault folder to your backup destination. You can save it to an external hard drive, USB flash drive, network storage device, or another secure backup location. Be sure to copy every file and folder inside the vault without making any changes to the folder structure. After the copy is complete, verify that the backup finished successfully by checking that the destination contains the complete vault folder. If possible, keep multiple backups in different locations to reduce the risk of data loss from hardware failure or other unexpected problems. Remember that your backup is still encrypted, so you'll need your vault password to access the files in the future. Store that password safely in a trusted password manager or another secure location, because Cryptomator cannot recover a forgotten vault password. Finally, repeat this backup process regularly, especially after adding or updating important files inside your vault. Frequent backups help ensure you always have a recent encrypted copy of your data. And that's it. You now know how to back up a Cryptomator vault and keep your encrypted files safe from accidental loss while maintaining strong security. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the